Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet sun motif. In this pattern I am using two color of cotton thread and 1.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. Hello friends, first I am starting from the center of the sun. So I am taking dark orange color yarn and make one slip knot. And make 1, 2, 3 chain. This is the foundation chain, and go to the third chain from your hook and make double crochet. You make 12 double crochet in the same stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6. You make total 12 DC in the same stitch. Then join this is the beginning 3 stitches, 3 chains. Here you join it with slip stitch. My first round is complete. For second round you make 1, 2, 3 chain, count a J, first double crochet and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 1 more. Make 2 double crochet in the every 12 stitches. Total you make 24 DC in this round. You repeat it. This is the beginning third stitch. Here you join it with slip stitch. My second round is complete. And then cut your extra thread or yarn. And then join the light yellow color yarn. Here I am using the thread. You join it in any stitch of the previous round. Here you join it with slip stitch. And make 3 chain, count a J, first DC. Make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Then go to the next stitch and make only 1 double crochet. Then you go to the third stitch, you make 2 DC in the same stitch. Then in the next stitch you make only one double crochet. In the next you make 2 double crochet. You repeat this stitch in this round. I have completed my third round. Then make here, I am joining it with slip stitch in the third chain and make 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, and then you go to the second chain from your hook and make one single crochet. Then go to the next stitch and make one half double crochet. Then go to the next stitch, make one double crochet and make next stitch with treble crochet. Then one more double crochet in the last stitch. And skip the next 1 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make one slip stitch, and then you go to the next stitch with slip stitch and make 6 chains. Then you repeat same pattern, go to the second chain from your hook, make one single crochet. In the next stitch you make one half double crochet. Then go to the next stitch and make one double crochet, and then you make treble crochet in the next 2 stitches. One more times you repeat it, one treble crochet in the, this is the last stitch here, and then you skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make one slip stitch, and then you go to the next stitch with slip stitch, and you repeat this same pattern in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my sun motif. This is very beautiful motif, and you can try it, and you can make this same pattern with waste weighted yarn, and you can add this project in your craft, dye and craft, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.